What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to do taillights on my new pickup truck, a 2018 Sierra Denali HD Duramax. We're going to do reverse light bulbs, and we're also going to do the corner marker bulbs. I'll show you which one. I'll show you a before of the reverse lights, and then we'll get one swapped out and we'll see the difference. I'm trying to match my my light bar that I put on. It's bright white, and then the backup bulbs are just, I don't know, not the same brightness. So I'm going to show you which bulbs we're doing, and then we'll get to it. All right. Yes, I know the lights are on. So we got the reverse bulbs here that we're going to change. And then we're also going to change these to LED, just these little side marker lights on both sides, reverse light and then the marker light. All right, so as you saw there, obviously they were more yellow than they are light, old trailer tires. So, I mean, this is pretty straightforward. We'll zoom out. Oop, well, let me do that, no. Yes, you will. Come on, zoom out. I'll back up then. All right, so we need to take out these two 15s to start with. I'll rephrase, T15. All right, once those are out, you're not gonna be able to see it because I'm gonna set it down, but we're gonna tap like that this way as we're popping the tail light out. So I'll get the camera set back down. But so now we got this out. This is your reverse bulb. Right there. And this is that little marker bulb that we're going to swap out too. And can I do it with one hand? Probably not. Still recording? All right. There we go. And if you look in there, it may look like it got hot, but the terminals themselves, the contacts are perfectly fine. Before somebody comments that the thing's toast. And then reverse light just pops out, same. And then if you guys have figured it, we're gonna go with Auxito LEDs. These here are the reverse lights, a little different design. Comes with O-rings. Some vehicles use O-rings, this one doesn't. So this is what they look like. So plugs in. And then literally just mount. Camera didn't get that, but it's literally just a rubber deal, and it just kind of shoves right in there. And we can just keep this tucked back, and now we'll grab one of these, put it in here. We'll put this side together, and we'll see how much brighter it is. All right, there's that one. All right, we're going to put the 15s back in to snug them down. They're a little. And before all the questions, this is my temporary wiring for the light bar. Eventually I'll run it in the actual bedside and hardwire it into that. This is for, it has a fifth wheel that I could use, which I haven't yet. So I'm gonna set you back up on the wife's car and we're gonna put this thing in reverse and see how much brighter it is. All right, guys, that's way better. I'm gonna do the, I'm gonna knock out the other side, clean my bumper off. Let me flip around, I'll show you. Literally, just from taking it out, all that dirt in there, all over the bumper. So I'll get that blown off. We'll get the other side knocked out. And then we'll get one final shot with both of them done. And then we'll see what the side markers look like. All right, actually I changed my mind. We're gonna do the side markers first, since we have one in and one still the old school. All right, quite a bit brighter. And then, yeah, compared to this side, way brighter. Very good, very good. I like it, I like it, I like it. So I'm gonna get the other side swapped out and then we will see a finished result. All right, working on the other side. I'm going to, here's the bulb. I'm gonna try to show you more of what I was talking about. So these go in and twist to lock. Well, these don't, but get it in there and you just kind of twist it and it pops and holds itself in. And then it plugs in like that. So it's still in there, still good. You could actually rotate if you want to change the angle. They're so bright it don't really matter. So I'll get this one in, then we'll do a final result. All right, I took my leaf blower, blew that off, so we're gonna see what it looks like completed. All right, guys, I am extremely happy with that. It looks a lot better. Obviously the corner marker bulbs are brighter, reverse lights are brighter. I got to work on the brake and turn signal, but I'm about to do resistors for that. I have bulbs for the front marker and turn signals, but I got to do resistors for that. That'll be another video. So hey, if you guys found this useful, big thumbs up. D-Money Garage, get you 15% off at Auxito. Use the link below. Find what works for your vehicle. I've had like no issues with their bulbs. They've been great. So again, don't forget to subscribe and we will see you in the next video.